ABC প্রাথমিক জ্ঞান Safa does not know the ABC of robot. Above all, সর্বোপরি Above all, Alamin is an honest man. After all, মোটের উপর After all, he is a patriot. All সর্বে সর্বা My father is all in our family. All along সর্বদা All along I advised him to study sincerely. All day long সারাদিন He was with me all day long. All the year round সারা বছর He was abroad all the year round. All of a sudden হঠাৎ All of a sudden a tiger came out of the bush. All the same একই It is all the same whether we comes here or not. According to অনুসারে I shall work according to your advice. A bed of roses শুভকর অবস্থা Life is not a bed of roses. A great deal of প্রচুর He has a great deal of money. A man of letter বিদ্বান লোক Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah was a man of letter. A burning question প্রধান আলোচ্য বিষয় Democracy is a burning question of the day. Apple of one's eye চোখের মণি The boy is the apple of his mother's eye. Apple of discord ঝগড়ার কারণ A broken toy is the apple of discord among the children. At large স্বাধীনভাবে Birds fly at large in the sky. At large বিস্তারিতভাবে The teacher discussed the matter at large. At best বড়জোর At best he will pass with second division. At least অন্তত বা কমপক্ষে At least 100 students attended the function. At last অবশেষে At last he reached his goal. At all আদৌ বা মোটেই I do not like smoking at all. At random বেপরোয়াভাবে The moog beat the mooger at random. At times মাঝে মাঝে At times he behaves very rudely. At sixes and sevens বিশৃঙ্খলভাবে The books are at sixes and sevens on the table. At a loss হতবুদ্ধি I am quite at a loss what to do. At the 11th hour শেষ মুহূর্তে He reached the station at the 11th hour. At any cost যেকোনো প্রকারে I must do well in the exam at any cost. At the top of সর্বোচ্চ I called him on the top of my voice. At length সবিস্তারে He discussed the matter at length. At home স্বচ্ছন্দ I feel quite at home in my house. At home in দক্ষ পারদর্শী মিলন is at home in English. As it were যেন। The sun is as it were the lamp of the earth. As usual যথারীতি বা বরাবরের মতো। As usual the arrived earlier. As if যেন। He runs as if he were mad. As much as যত সম্ভব। He ate as much as he could. At present বর্তমানে। At present he is 16 years old. At once তৎক্ষণাৎ। At once Maruf left for home. At a stretch এক নাগাড়ে। I can walk 5 kilometers at a stretch. Afford to সমর্থ হওয়া। I cannot afford to buy a computer. A bolt from the blue বিনা মেঘে বজ্রপাত। The news of his death was a bolt from the blue to all. A chicken-hearted man কাপুরুষ। He is a chicken-hearted man. A close-fisted man কৃপণ। My friend is not a close-fisted man. A fair-weather friend দুধের মাছি। It is a foolish thing to depend on a fair-weather friend like him. A fool's paradise বোকার স্বর্গ। My friend lives in a fool's paradise. A hard nut to crack অতি কঠিন সমস্যা। অতি কঠিন সমস্যা। To convince her is a hard nut to crack. A jack of all trades সব জানতা। He is a jack of all trades but master of none. A laughing stock ঠাট্টার পাত্র। A clown is a laughing stock. A man of straw গুরুত্বহীন ব্যক্তি। No one likes him because he is a man of straw. A man of word প্রতিজ্ঞা পালনকারী। My friend is a man of word. An open secret যে গোপন বিষয় সকলেরই জানা। He has got an illegal favor for his boss and it is an open secret. A rainy day দুর্দিন। It is wise to save some money for a rainy day. A shortcut সংক্ষিপ্ত পথ। I took a shortcut to the bus stand across the field. A slowcoach অলস ব্যক্তি। As he is a slowcoach, he cannot complete the work. A white elephant ব্যয়বহুল কিন্তু মূল্যহীন। At last the project provided to be a white elephant. An iron wheel দৃঢ় বাসনা। My mother is a woman of an iron wheel. All and sundry সবাইকে। I invited all the sundry to my sister's marriage. All daggers drawn শত্রুতাপূর্ণ। They have been at daggers drawn for long 10 years. At the beck and call সেবার জন্য সদা প্রস্তুত থাকা। He is always at the beck and call. By chance হঠাৎ করে। অপ্রত্যাশিতভাবে দৈবাত্মকভাবে। By chance, I meet him on the way. By and by, শীঘ্রই, I will go there by and by. By the by, কথা প্রসঙ্গে, by the by, I came to know that he has become a rich man. By dint of, বলে বা এভাবে, my succeeded by dint of hard work. Black sheep, কুলাঙ্গার, he is a black sheep in his family. Bag and baggage, তুলপি তল্পা সহ, he has left the place, bag and baggage. Bed of roses, শুকর অবস্থা বা পুষ্পসজ্জা, life is not a bed of roses. By hook or by crook, যে কোনো উপায়ে, you must do the work by hook or by crook. Black and blue, নির্দয়ভাবে, the thief was beaten, black and blue. Beggar description, বর্ণনাতীত হওয়া, the suffering of the flood affected people, beggar description. Blue blood, অভিজাত্য, Ashraf Chaudhary is proud of his blue blood. Bolt from the blue, বিনা মেঘে বজ্রপাত, his death news came to me as a bolt from the blue. Break up, শেষ হওয়া বা ছুটি হওয়া, our school breaks up at 5 p.m. Bring to light, প্রকাশ করা, at last all the facts were brought to light. By no means, কিছুতেই না, he will by no means do the work. By virtue of, বলে বা গুণে, everybody can shine in life by virtue of hard and honest labor. By means of, উপায়ে, he succeeded by means of hard work. By all means, সর্বপ্রকারে, try to do it by all means. Bad blood, শত্রুতা, there has been bad blood between the two brothers over the land property. By fits and starts, অনিয়মিতভাবে, he works by fits and starts. By heart, মুখস্থ করা, I learned some of Nazrul's poem by heart. By leaps and bounds, দ্রুত গতিতে, our institute is progressing by leaps and bounds. Back up, সমর্থন করা, he promised to back me up in my distress. Be at a loss, দ্বিধাগ্রস্ত হওয়া, I was at a loss what to do next. Be at one's wit's end, বুদ্ধি হারিয়ে ফেলা, when I saw the math question, I was at my wit's end. Be in somebody's good or bad books, কারো সুনজরে বা কুনজরে পড়া, she is always in her mother's good books. Be up and doing, উঠে পড়ে লাগা, be up and doing with your studies. Bear in mind, মনে রাখা, we must bear in mind that we cannot buy everything with money. Bail the cat, বিপজ্জনক কাজে হাত দেওয়া, nobody is prepared to bail the cat. Breathe one's last, মৃত্যুবরণ করা, my grandfather breathed his last a few days ago. Bring to book, শাস্তি দেওয়া, the criminal was brought to book by the police. Bear with, সহ্য করা, I cannot bear with such conduct. Break away, হঠাৎ পালিয়ে যাওয়া। The prisoner broke away from the guards. Break down, ভেঙে পড়া। His health broke down due to overwork. Break up, বন্ধ করা বা বন্ধ হওয়া। The school breaks up at 4 p.m. Cook and bowl story, গাঁজাখুরি গল্প, আষাঢ়ে গল্প। I do not believe your cook and bull story. Crying need, জরুরি প্রয়োজন। True education is the crying need of Bangladesh. Crocodile tears, মায়া কান্না। He shed crocodile tears at our misery. Cut a sorry figure, খারাপ ফল করা। Kamrul cut a sorry figure in the examination. Call the mind, call to mind, স্মরণ করা। He cannot call to mind what I told him. Cat and dogs, মুষলধারে। It has been raining cats and dogs for 2 hours. Chicken hearted, ভীরু বা কাপুরুষ। I cannot rely on a chicken hearted man like him. Catch red handed, হাতে নাতে ধরা পড়া। The thief was caught red handed. Call a spade a spade, উচিত কথা বলা। Whether you like me or not, I will call a spade a spade. Call into question, সন্দেহ প্রকাশ করা। His honesty was called into question by the manager. Come to light, প্রকাশ পাওয়া। Several facts come to light after police investigation. Call at, কোনো স্থানে গিয়ে দেখা করা। Probir called at my office yesterday. Call back, কাউকে আবার ফোন করা বা যে পূর্বে ফোন করেছিল তাকে ফোন করা। She said that she had called me back at 4:30 p.m. Call for, দাবি করা। His uncle called for an explanation of his conduct. Call in, ডেকে পাঠানো। Please call in a doctor. Call up, স্মরণ করা। I cannot call up my class teacher's name. Call off, তুলে নেওয়া। The strike was called off. Call on, কারোর সাথে অল্পক্ষণের জন্য দেখা করা। I called on Nishu yesterday. Carry off, জয়লাভ করা। He carried off many prizes. Carry on, চালিয়ে যাওয়া। Babul is carrying on his studies regularly. Come about, ঘটা। How did these things come about? Come across, সাক্ষাৎ হওয়া। I came across the boy on the way. Come by, হঠাৎ খুঁজে বা কুড়িয়ে পাওয়া। How did you come by this purse? Come down, হ্রাস করা। Now the price of vegetables is coming down. Come off, জন্মগ্রহণ করা। She comes of a respectable family. Come off, অনুষ্ঠিত হওয়া। When does the wedding come off? Come on, তাড়াতাড়ি করা। Come on, or you will be late. Come out, প্রকাশিত হওয়া। Her novel will come out in time. Cut down, ভূপাতিত করা বা কেটে ফেলা। If you cut down all the trees, you will ruin the land. কাট টু দ্য কুইক মনে কষ্ট দেওয়া। হিজ ব্যাড রিমার্কস কাট দ্য ওম্যান টু দ্য কুইক। কাট ডাউন কমানো। উই মাস্ট কাট ডাউন এক্সপেন্সেস অর উই উইল বি গেটিং ইনটু ডেপ্ট। ক্যাসলস ইন দ্য এয়ার আকাশ কুসুম কল্পনা করা। She often builds castles in the air. Dead against ঘোর বিরোধী। He is dead against my proposal. Dead language যে ভাষা এখন আর প্রচলিত নয়। Sanskrit is now a dead language. Double game কপটতা। Don't play double game with me. Do one's best যথাসাধ্য চেষ্টা করা। He did his best to please the authority. Die for কোনো কিছুর জন্য প্রাণ দেওয়া। Our freedom fighters died for our country. Die by দুর্ঘটনায় মারা যাওয়া। He died by a road accident. Do without ব্যতি রেখে চলা। I cannot do without my parents. Due to জন্যে He could not come to the meeting due to his illness. Die in harness কাজ করতে করতে মারা যাওয়া। He died in harness. Die of রোগে মারা যাওয়া। He has died of cancer. Die from দুর্ঘটনায় মারা যাওয়া। রোগ বা দুর্ঘটনা ছাড়া অন্য কিছুতে মারা যাওয়া। The beggar died from starvation. Every now and then প্রায়ই I write my friends every now and then. End in smoke নিষ্ফল হওয়া। All his attempts ended in smoke. Fight shy of এড়িয়ে যেতে চেষ্টা করা। Why do you fight shy of me? For good চিরতরে He has left the school for good. Forever চিরতরে He has left the country forever. Far and wide সর্বত্র His fame has spread far and wide. Flesh and blood রক্ত মাংসের শরীর। No flesh and blood can bear with such insult from hand to mouth অতি কষ্টে বা কায় ক্লেশে। The poor man lives from hand to mouth. From A to Z প্রথম হতে শেষ পর্যন্ত বা আদ্যোপান্ত। His statement is true from A to Z. For the sake of জন্য Do not argue for the sake of argument. For the time being সাময়িকভাবে This book is out of print for the time being. Fall a victim to শিকারে পরিণত হওয়া। Many people fell a victim to the recent flood. Few and far between কদাচিৎ Her visits are few and far between. First and foremost সবচেয়ে বেশি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ The first and foremost duty of a student is to study. From door to door দ্বারে দ্বারে The poor woman begs from door to door. Fall back পিছু হটা The enemy fell back as our troops advanced. Fall into ধরা পড়া They fall right into our trap. Fall on or upon আক্রমণ করা The robbers fell on the rich man. Fall out ঝগড়া করা They fall out with each other about dowry just before the wedding. Fall through, ব্যর্থ হওয়া. Our plan fell through because of the shortage of funds. Find fault with, দোষ ধরা. Don't find fault with your colleges without any reason. Get rid of, কোনো কিছু থেকে মুক্তি পাওয়া. Try to get rid of your bad habit. Gala day, উৎসবের দিন. The 16th December is a gala day of our country. Guardian knot, জটিল সমস্যা. Our of her population is a guardian knot indeed. Get over, অতিক্রম করা. He got over the difficulties. Go a long way, সফল হওয়া. You have to go a long way. Get at, to, পৌঁছানো. The fox could not get at the grapes. Get back, ফিরে যাওয়া. When did you get back last night? Get out, নামা. He got down, sorry, get down, নামা. He got down from the train. Get off, ঘুমাতে যাওয়া. We got off to sleep immediately. Get through, সফল হওয়া. She got through, though she did not answer all the questions. Get up, ঘুম থেকে জাগা. Get up early in the morning and do exercise. Give away, বিতরণ করা. Our principal gave away the prizes on the school sports day. Give back, ফিরিয়ে দেওয়া. Could you give me back my book? Give up, ছেড়ে দেওয়া. You ought to give up smoking. Go ahead, সামনে এগিয়ে যাওয়া. If you go ahead, I will follow you. Go down, কম হওয়া. Her weight went down from 70 kgs to 60 during her illness. Go on, চালিয়ে যাওয়া. Go on till you come to the post office. Go up, বেড়ে যাওয়া. The price of vegetables is going up. Good for nothing, অপদার্থ. Don't depend upon him, he is good for nothing. Hard and fast, ধরা বাঁধা. There is no hard and fast rule in this matter. Heart and soul, মনে প্রাণে. Try heart and soul to pass the examination. Hue and cry, শোরগোল. The villagers raised a hue and cry to see the police. Hard up, অভাবগ্রস্ত. He is very hard up now. Hard of hearing, আংশিকভাবে বধির. The old man is hard of hearing. Hale and hearty, সুস্থ ও শক্তিশালী. My grandmother is still hale and hearty. High and low, সবখানে. He searched high and low for his lost money bag. High time, উপযুক্ত সময়. It is high time we stopped corruption. Hold up, দেরি করা. Our flight was held up by fog. In a fix, কিংকর্তব্য বিমূঢ়. I am in a fix, what to do. In a body, একযোগে. The students went to the headmaster in a body. In any case, যে কোনো প্রকারে, in any case, try to do better. In a nutshell, সংক্ষেপে, tell me the story in a nutshell. In lieu of, পরিবর্তে, he took up biology in lieu of mathematics. Instead of, পরিবর্তে, give me this watch instead of that one. In full swing, পূর্ণোদ্যমে, the project is running in full swing. In order to, উদ্দেশ্যে, he came here in order to meet my father. In spite of, সত্ত্বেও, in spite of hard labor, he could not pass the examination. In the long run, ভবিষ্যতে বা পরিণামে, he will have to suffer in the long run. Ins and out, সবকিছু, I am not aware of the ins and outs of the matter. In detail, সবিস্তারে, write to me in detail about your job. In vain, বৃথা, he tried hard but in vain. In favor of, পক্ষে, he tried to favor of me. In all, মোট, I have paid him 5,000 টাকা in all. In any cost, যে কোনো উপায়ে, we must solve the problem in any way. In a nutshell, সংক্ষেপে, tell me the story in a nutshell. In black and white, লিখিতভাবে, the school inspector wanted my report in black and white. In case of, শর্ত সাপেক্ষে বা যদি, in case of fire, please ring the alarm. In quest of, খোঁজে, the Rohingya Muslims crossed Myanmar border in quest of shelter in Bangladesh. In the heart of, কেন্দ্রে বা কেন্দ্রভাগে, our school is situated in the heart of the town. In short, সংক্ষিপ্তভাবে, answer the question in short. In the end, শেষে, he realized his fault in the end and apologized to us. In the teeth of, বিরোধিতার মুখে, the bill was passed by the parliament in the teeth of opposition. In view of, বিবেচনা সাপেক্ষে, the security arrangement were tightened in view of the election. Kith and kin, আত্মীয় স্বজন. We should never forget our kith and kin. No bounds. সীমাহীন হওয়া. The kindness of Haji Mohsin knew no bounds. Keep away, দূরে থাকা. Try to keep away from bad companies. Knock at the door, অতি সন্নিকটবর্তী হওয়া. Our examination is knocking at the door. Keep one's word, কথা রাখা. I think he will keep his word. Keep up with, তাল মিলিয়ে চলা. She likes to keep up with the latest fashions. Lame excuse, খোড়া যুক্তি অজুহাত বা বাজে অজুহাত. The student gave a lame excuse for his absence in the class. Lay by, সঞ্চয় করা. Everybody should lay by something for the future. Live by, জীবিকা নির্বাহ করা, জীবিকা অর্জন করা. Doctors live by treating patients. Look over, পরীক্ষা করা. He looked over our answer স্ক্রিপ্টস লে অ্যাসাইড সঞ্চয় করা lay some money aside for your old age lay down উৎসর্গ করা he laid down his life for the sake of his country look after দেখাশোনা করা who will look after the orphans look down upon ঘৃণা করা বা নিচু ভাবা don't look down upon the poor look for খোঁজ করা I am looking for a job look forward to অধীর আগ্রহে অপেক্ষা করা we are really looking forward to seeing you again look into পরীক্ষা করা a committee has been formed to look into the matter look out for সতর্ক হওয়া we should look out for pickpockets look over পরীক্ষা করা বা তদন্ত করা I have looked over the exam papers look up খুঁজে পাওয়া বিশেষত বইপত্র ইত্যাদিতে you can look up the word in the dictionary make good পরিপূর্ণ করা Mr. Khan made good his promise man of letter পণ্ডিত ব্যক্তি Dr. Shahryar Haq is a man of letter make up one's mind সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়া I have made up my mind to leave the country make of অর্থ বুঝতে পারা I cannot make up the poem you have written make out বুঝতে পারা I cannot make out the meaning of the passage make up ক্ষতিপূরণ দেওয়া he will make up the loss soon null and void বাতিল the agreement has been null and void now and then মাঝে মাঝে my friend visits me now and then of course অবশ্যই of course I will help you of one's own accord স্বেচ্ছায় the boy did many good things to the old man of his own accord of no avail বৃথা all his efforts were of no avail on the contrary পক্ষান্তরে he hates me on the contrary I love him on the eve of প্রাক্কালে পূর্ব মুহূর্তে we gave him a hearty scent of on the eve of his departure out of order বিকল the engine is now out of order off and on মাঝে মাঝে we talk about politics off and on offhand পূর্ব প্রস্তুতি ছাড়া she wrote to him the letter offhand on the spur of the moment তৎক্ষণাৎ বা উত্তেজনার মুহূর্তে he did the work on the spur of the moment once and for all চিরতরে the father warned his son once and for all out and out পুরোপুরি Mr. Islam is out and out a perfect gentleman out of place অনুপযুক্ত what he thinks is out of place to solve his problem out of sorts অসুস্থ I am out of sorts now Our head and ears. অতিরিক্ত হারে I am in debt over head and ears. Part and parcel অবিচ্ছেদ্য অংশ Reading newspaper is part and parcel of education. Proud of গর্বিত He is proud of his wealth. Put on পরিধান করা Put on your shirt and button up properly. Put off খুলে ফেলা Put off your shoes before entering a Moscow. Pros and cons. খুঁটিনাটি You should consider the pros and cons of the system. Pass away মারা যাওয়া Her mother passed away last year. Pass by অতিক্রম করা I saw the procession pass by. Put by সঞ্চয় করা Put by something for the future. Put away সঞ্চয় করা We must put away money for our future. Put out আগুন নেভানো Fireman soon put out the fire. Put up উপস্থাপন করা Put up the case in the meeting. Put up with সহ্য করা I cannot put up with such an insult. Red letter day স্মরণীয় দিন 21st February is a red letter day in the history of Bangladesh. Run into debt ঋণগ্রস্ত হওয়া He has run into debts. Run after ধাওয়া করা The dog was running after a rabbit. Run out শেষ হয়ে যাওয়া The fuel of the car ran out in the middle of the desert. Run over চাপা পড়া বা উপচে পড়া The bath water is running over. Safe and sound নিরাপদে The passengers reached the store safe and sound. Set free মুক্ত করা বা মুক্ত হওয়া The prisoner was set free. See off বিদায় দেওয়া Nobody came to see him off. Slow and steady ধীর স্থিরতা Slow and steady wins the race. Set in শুরু করা The cold weather has set in. Set off যাত্রা করা When are you planning to set off tomorrow? Set out কোনো স্থান ত্যাগ করা বা যাত্রা শুরু করা We set out at dawn. Set up স্থাপন বা নির্মাণ করা A state was set up there. Stand aside একপাশে সরে দাঁড়ানো She stood aside to let us pass. Stand by সমর্থন করা I will stand by my friend whatever happens. To and fro এদিক ওদিক Do not run to and fro in the street. Toil and moil কঠিন পরিশ্রম He does toil and moil to succeed in his life. To the point যথাযথ Answer must be to the point. The rank and file সকল শ্রেণীর লোক The rank and file attended the marriage ceremony. Throw and throw পুরোপুরিভাবে My uncle is throw and throw a Gentlemen, through fire and water, সকল বাধা পেরিয়ে, my mother went through fire and water in my life. Tooth and nail, পুরোপুরিভাবে, we must fight against poverty, tooth and nail. Take aback, দুঃখ পাওয়া বা আহত হওয়া, I was somewhat taken aback by his rudeness. Take after, সদৃশ হওয়া, children often take after their parents. Take down, লিপিবদ্ধ করা, take down her name and address. Take off, উড্ডয়ন করা, the plane took off an hour late. Take off, সরিয়ে নেওয়া, the police took off the damaged car from road after accident. Take over, নিয়ন্ত্রণ করা, Mr. Imran will take over the charge of the company tomorrow. Turn against, বন্ধুত্বভাব শেষ করে দেওয়া, she turned against her old friend. Turn down, প্রত্যাখ্যান করা, she turned down his proposal. Turn on, চালানো, turn on the fan please. Turn out, বাতি বা আগুন নেভানো, remember to turn out the lights before you have left the room. Turn off, উপস্থিত হওয়া, I could not turn off in time. Ups and downs, উত্থান পতন, there are many ups and downs in our life. Under lock and key, নিরাপদ, she kept her ornaments under lock and key. Up to the mark, যথেষ্ট ভালো, this time you have done up to the mark in English. Word to word, ঠিকভাবে বা কোনো কিছু বাদ না দিয়ে, he copied my assignment word for word. Well off, সচ্ছল, he is well off at present as he worked hard for long. Well and oh, সুখ দুঃখ, human life is full of well and oh. With one accord, একমত হয়ে, the leader finished the meeting, taking the decision with one accord. With a view to, উদ্দেশ্যে, I went to Khulna with a view to meeting my grandparents.